Good morning students. Today we will start with standard 2nd, subject EVS. So all the students take your textbooks out and everyone will start reading with me. We are going to start with chapter 1, that is body movements. You can see here body movements chapter 1. So now we'll start. A body helps us to make many movements. Let us learn about the body parts which help us in our movements. First one, our eyes. Our eyes helps us to see things around us. Do you all know? Our eyes, you can see with your eyes, you can see everything. So the first one is our eyes. Our eyes help us to read and see things around us. The second one is our mouth. What does our mouth help us? Our mouth help us to talk and to chew food. Correct? Our mouth help us to talk and chew the food that we eat. The third one is our neck. Everyone show your neck. It is here. Our neck help us to turn our head. What does our neck do? Our neck helps us to turn our head and it helps us to look here and there. Correct? Now next, we are able to work with our hands. Where is our hand? This is our hand. We are able to work with our hand as our fingers and thumb. The thumb can bend and the fingers can also bend. It can help us to hold any object. Correct? You can see this. Your hand can help you to hold anything. So the next is our hands. The next is our arm. Where is your arm? This is your arm. Your arm bends at the elbow. This is your elbow where your hand can bend. You can bend, everyone bend your hand and see. Your elbow, which is here, it can bend your hand. And also at the wrist. This is your wrist. This can also turn. It can go round, it can turn itself. This are arms that can bend on the elbow and at the wrist. Okay? The next one is the next one is our legs. Where is your leg? Everyone show your legs. We are able to move freely because our legs bend at the knees. Our legs bend at the knees. Where is your knee? This is your knee and this is your leg. Your legs bend at the knees and at the ankle. Where is your ankle? This is your ankle. Your legs bend at the knees and the ankles. And the toes of the finger, of the feet can also bend. See like this. Everyone bend your toes. The toes of your feet can also bend. So,
that I will cut it.
Okay, ये ठीक था मतलब. Now, below that you can see it is written, do you know? Start reading this. The thumb is the most important of 5 fingers on both of your hands. It can touch the tip of the other fingers. See, everyone see. you can see that you have nail on each of your finger and even on your legs. So the nails protect your tips of the each finger, every finger. You can see that. Now let's turn the page. You can walk, jump, run, dance and do a number of actions and movements with your body. See, you can see the pictures. While walking, you are using your legs. While jumping, you are using your legs and your toes. With the help of the toes, you jump. Running, also you use your legs. Dancing, you use your whole body. You use your hands, you use your face, you use your legs, everything. Skating, you use your legs, but you balance your body also. Playing an instrument. When you play any instrument, you use your hands. Right? You use your hands to play any instrument. Reading. When you are reading, you use your eyes to look into the book and read it. That you are doing now. Playing. When you are playing, you use your hands and your legs. While using a computer, you use your eyes and you use your hands. Now next, do you know when you break a bone in your hand, it is called a fracture. See, you can see the picture here. Now, do you know? In this paragraph we can see when you break a bone in your body, it is called a fracture. That is, when you get a fracture. When it is called, it is a fracture when any bone in a body gets a crack. Then we call it as a fracture. When a bone is broken, we should consult a doctor soon. As you all know that we can't bear the pain. So as there is a fracture, we all consult to a doctor. Now this, talk and tell. Everyone tell me, which is your favorite sport? Say it loudly. Which is your favorite sport? Which game you like to play? And the next, which part of the body do you use while playing it? Whichever sport you like, tell which body part do you use in that very much. Okay? Now we'll go to the next page. Now the next page, there are